Hello. Today's story is called If It Didn't Rain. Matthew hates the rain. He wants to play outside, but it's pouring with rain. The rain makes Matthew grumpy. Matthew's mother gives him some puzzle games to play with instead. I don't want to do puzzles. I want to go outside, says Matthew. How about doing some colouring in them, Matthew, says his mother. No, says Matthew. I want to go outside, but it's raining. A little bit of rain won't hurt you, Matthew, says his mother. But I don't like feeling wet, says Matthew. I hate the rain, he continues. I hope it never rains again. That's a silly thing to say, Matthew, remarks his mother. Why? Asks Matthew. Matthew's mother begins to tell him why he should not hope for it to never rain again. Matthew, if it didn't rain, we would have no water for our oceans. If it didn't rain, we would have nothing to quench our thirst. If it didn't rain, we would have no water to wash with. If it didn't rain, we would have no clouds in the sky. If it didn't rain, we would have no water to swim in. If it didn't rain, we would have no snow to play in. If it didn't rain, we would have no grass to run in. If it didn't rain, there would be no more rainbows. If it didn't rain, we would have no more people smiling. Matthew stopped and thought for a while. If that's true, then I hope it does still rain, Mummy, he says. That's better, says Matthew's mum. Just then, Matthew's dad walks in and overhears some of the conversation. And if it didn't rain, you'd have no use for these. He hands Matthew a brand new pair of red welly boots, a red raincoat and a colourful umbrella. Now you can go outside in the rain and play and not worry about getting wet. The end. I do hope you enjoyed that. Until next time, bye-bye.